Hello, and welcome back to MataSync. For today's video, we will be going over the news application that you can utilize for your organization news. In the video, we will cover the basic walkthrough of the news section as well as dealing with the advanced settings. Keep in mind, only members with managing permissions on the respective organization will be able to perform the functions in this video. If you need assistance accessing your organization's manage page, you can fill out the Clubs and Organizations Access to MataSync form or visit the Matador Involvement Center. First, how to locate the news section. Go to your organization's manage page, click on the three lines at the top, locate News and click on it. Click on the Create Article button on the right side. Now for writing your news article, first you want to input the basic information for your news subject, including a title and a short summary of the article. Secondly, you want to put in the section titled Body a complete description of your news with all the necessary details. Over here, you can edit the formatting of the text in your body section. If you check this box, it will notify all the members included in your roster of the news article once published. Here you can add an image related to your news article using the upload box. If you do not upload an image, a default image will take its place. Next, in terms of visibility. So the last part we will cover before publishing your article is the visibility. Please do not leave visibility as public. When you click on the drop-down menu, you will see four options: public, which you should not be using; institution, which is a default, which means everyone at CSUN will be able to access your news article; organization, which means members listed in your MataSync portal will be able to see this news article; private. Once you click on private, another menu will appear and you will be able to restrict visibility of this news article to specific members within your organization. Now that we're done with our news article, it's time to publish. So once you have completed and checked over your news article and the visibility, hit the Create Article button and your news article will be instantly published to MataSync. Thank you for watching this step-by-step tutorial on creating a news article. Tune into our channel for more ways to utilize your MataSync accounts. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or come into the office. Have a nice day.